Alright, back up here on this thing. Oh, it's fucking windy out today. Fuck, I'm gonna get my jacket. Got both boards. I'm gonna do both of them because the blower ain't coming on. It's got to be that one. But this one didn't seem like it was sending power out. So, I don't know. I'm gonna do both and see what happens. Alright, blower motor's on. I just gotta jump out the cooling. It's a good sign. Looks like it might be a little low on charge too. I ran my leak detector. I couldn't find anything, but it's alright. Try to sell them a new unit. Give it a little bit to run out here. Ah, wind today, dude. Fucking killing me. Too shabby. We're coming around. Well, that's good. It's nice that worked out. Whew. Heat off that bitch, boy. Alright. Well, I'm glad that worked out. Now I just gotta get them on a new unit. That might have been a little bit of a parts changing call, but you know what? It worked out. And that fucking another one on the suction line, the cap had no fucking gasket under it. Which is crazy because there was no oil on that suction line at all. So you think if it was bubbling out, you'd see a little bit of oil, but I don't know. I've had plenty of leaks where there's no oil whatsoever, and you're like, how was almost the whole entire charge gone, and there's no oil leaked out? It's fucking strange. So what? When you add refrigerant, are you just like doubling the oil in the system? I don't know. Don't care. But either way, and that worked out. 2 boards, contactor, charge, sell a new unit. Perfect. Alright, on to the next one. Noisy, reaching, possibly a bad compressor, so, or a fan motor, he said. We'll see. Let's go see what we got. Super busy in this place. We'll see if I can get any video. I got this freezer installed. This fucking drain pan is pulling this way. Usually you have enough pitch, so I try to take these 2 screws out, tap it down right there, and then it starts draining. So, it's crazy how tedious this coil. Like, you can see the whole pan. It's like wonky. So anyways, I gotta melt more ice again. Yeah, interesting. Oh, melting ice. Always fun. I'm getting there. Ugh. Fucking nightmare. I can't believe the pitch on the pan. Like, this is fucking retarded. I can't believe you have to like mind blowing. I gotta take the pan down. I was waiting for it to drain. Take the pan down, get the ice out of the pan, put it back up. Look at. They don't even give you any fucking holding screws, so you have to drop the drain pan to put the fucking fan motors in, because they don't stay. Look. See? How? Look at that. Fuck you, Russell. Why is everything made like shit? Everything. Anyways, let me drop this drain pan, get all this ice out of here. Everything is so annoying. For reals. Mind fucking blowing. Okay. Like there shouldn't be that much water. So. Fucking insane. Okay. Maybe now? Hey. Okay. I deal with that. Maybe a little more. Drain, motherfucker, drain. Craziness. Okay. This is crazy. Alright, see if I can knock some of this ice off. Let's see. That's horrible. And get just a little bit off the top. Let's see. Maybe. Probably not. Not the best idea. That sucks. Sucks. It just is horrible. Get off of there. Get your ass off of there. Fan motors, dude. How fucking dumb is that? No fucking screws to hold it. Wow. That's fucking retarded. Helps a little bit. Okay, it's a little better. Get the torches. Get the torchies. Crap. Total crap. That's it. Oh, God. What a horrible fucking design. I mean, what the fuck? Horrible. There's no nuts to hold it. So you gotta like get these two on first. so dumb. Dropped the drain pan to fucking change a fan motor. Retarded. Okay, now I get the bottom two on. Horrible. Horrible fucking design. That's fucking crazy. Fucking so stupid. I literally can't with it. Insane. Okay. Now I get some fucking part bend it back. There. Let's see. For the screws. Okay. Take this guy, put him up a little bit higher. Alright. Now we're going to keep down a little lower. Higher. Okay. Fucking crazy, dude. How tedious is that? Fucking stupid. Okay. Alright, now for the next test. That didn't work. Alright. Pour some water down this thing. Make sure it fucking drains. It doesn't puddle up anywhere. Alright, we'll grab some water. Sure, it fucking drains. Man, what a pain in the ass. It's crazy. Yeah, now we're draining. I might put a P-trap on that. Alright, even put a nice little P-trap on there. Shada bing, shada boom. So. I poured a fuck ton of water down this, so I think now we're good to go. Set the time clock again. Yeah, so just to sum up the video, everything's made like shit. That's pretty much it. Ta-da! Russel, E-Craft, Trenton, whatever the fuck it is, it's all made like dog shit. And the bigger the fucking evaporator, the worse the drain pans are. It's like, man, I don't fucking get anything anymore, dude. You take the screws out, they're already stripped after taking them out, putting them back one time. Like, everything's made like fucking shit. That's why I tell people, if you're lucky to get 2 years out of a fucking new coil,